Yeah, what's up guys, it's Johnny. Welcome to Johnny's Whips. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on the 2023 Honda Civic Sport. That's going to be the part number there for the cabin air filter. And this is the whip right here, man. Let's go ahead and jump right in so we can get this part replaced. Show you guys how to do it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the glove box. And if you have anything inside of the glove box, go ahead and just take it out, clean it just the way this one is here. That way you don't have anything in the way. All right, so on the left-hand side, you're gonna see this plastic thing right here, and it has like a little groove where you can put your thumb and push down on it. That way you can unclip it. It's like a hook. You can't really tell right now, but you guys will see, watch. You'll hear the sound, watch. You hear that? So that means it unhooked. And you guys can see there now that it does look kind of like a hook there where it attaches. So once you do that, it doesn't have it on the right-hand side, so it's only something that you're gonna find on the left. That's gonna be the only thing that's really holding it in. Afterwards, you're gonna just move this out from this side and move it out from this side, and then the whole glove box is kind of just gonna hang there like that. And then you just pretty much slide it out like that. So once you have it loose, just go ahead and put it aside, get it out of the way, and then you're gonna continue. So if you look up above here, you're gonna find the lid or the cover for the cabin air filter, and on the left side over here you have this little tab. You guys see that little tab right there? And then on the right side you're also going to have another tab. Same thing, just grab the tab, pull it, and then once you can actually remove that plastic cover, then you're going to be able to see the Honda air filter there. So let's go ahead and pull it out. All right, grab it here. It is. Oh man, yeah. It was about time. This is the original cabin air filter on this 2023 Honda Civic. It's a 3-year-old car. It's got about 30,000 miles on it. So let's open up this new one here. The cabin air filters are gonna have like a left and a right side that are kind of stiff, and then the top and bottom is kind of soft. So I was getting a little bit confused here. I just want to let you guys know so it doesn't happen to you. Because when I removed it, I was reading everything here. It said Honda, and I pulled it out. So I was assuming that with the new one, I would also, just put it in, being able to read everything. On the new one that I just bought at the dealer, it looks like the harder, stiffer side is where it says Honda. And on the original one, it says Honda on the soft side. I guess I was sliding it in incorrectly. Also, you guys can notice that the lines are going that way, and then this one, it's going that way. What I'm trying to say is that you got to make sure that the soft side is facing you when you slide it in. So anyways, let's go ahead and get the new one with the airflow arrows facing down. And let's get that slid right up in there. Just like that. And then you see how like you try to move it and it doesn't move much. When I had it in the other way, there was a little bit of play. So, once I took it out and put it in this way, I was like, all right, cool. And then also I was trying to get this on there and I couldn't. So I realized, I had it on there wrong. Anyways, once you got it back in, just go ahead and put this plastic piece up right there and just push it in. You'll hear it snap from both the left and the right. You could do it just the way I did, like in the middle like that, or you can do each side one at a time. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's pretty much it right there. You go ahead and replace it, and then we got to get everything back together. So I'm not going to leave you guys hanging, man. We're going to put it back together. That way you guys can see how it's done. You see right there on that little hook, well, not hook, but like this right here. You got it on the left, you got it on the right. So you grab your glove box, slide those things in there like that on both the left and the right side, and you'll hear them snap. Boom. All right, once you do that, you could let it go and it'll hold itself up. Then you got to do this, remember right here? Super easy. You just pretty much bend it a little and then slide it up. Now it's being held by that there, the one down there, up here, and then the last one that we're gonna do was the first one that we did when we started. This plastic hook right here. So you just kind of pull it down. It moves, so it won't be hard. You grab it, pull it down, and then you'll hear it snap once you pull it upward. So remember, we pushed it down with our thumb in the beginning. Right now we're just gonna pull it up with our index finger, or however you can, and then listen for the snap to make sure it's securely hooked up. There it is. All right. Yep. That's it, man. We're done. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter on the 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 Honda Civic. And I'm not sure if it's the same for like the Type R or the SI, but I know it's the same for like the Sport, LX, EX, and all those right there. But anyways, man, yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. It's Johnny's Whips. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and have a great day, man. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.